Jesu Kristu inkosi.
Mina bengithanda ukubonga ngokuthi ngisaphila ngiyabonga uNkulunkulu nangaleyo mqhubeko lo wasiphiwa bakithi manje. Ngiyambonga ngawo because few weeks back besiye entweni eTriplin. So bekumele siye eGold City. So ngelo langa lakhona, okay, the day before I kind of had a feeling something bad might happen. Maybe ngizoba phela sasemzwikini akazi. I remember that I just pressed inkosi ngakhuleka ngilala. The next day, okay, so mina esikoleni ngifika early yabo. So ngifika ngabo 7:15 usually. The next day, that was the day funeke sihambe vele. So ichomi yami, okay, uthi ngimkhaphe siye bathroom yabo. Okay, siyakhona sisasekhona while esazilungisa athi ngiyazithembela ihle izoba angilalanga. Okay, and I'm like, okay, why? Athi no, bengithukile because of into ethiwe mama kaTroy classmate yethu yabo. So yena naye uTroy akasana. So apparently umama yakhe uthe yena she saw a vision, she dreamt ukuthi khona ibhasi ezoba and kuzoba yile bhasi yokuqala. Khumbula nami I'm in grade 7, so usually amabhasi ahamba ngama-grades or something like that yabo. So ngacinga ukuthi ngapha in grade 7, what if ibhasi yethu kube yokuqala? I mara njengothuke luckily that day kanti ngiphethe i-4. So ndathi ayi unqola, let's go siye eklasini siyothandaza uRoma 10:9. Okay, on May 18 between the two though safika eklasini besase-2 sakhuleka sathandaza yabo. Kanti kuzongena abanye, kungena enye girl uyi-classmate yethu, ungena sisakhuleka yabo. Kanti sisakhuleka njalo ayi naye aqala asihleke, ayi singamnaki siloke simamele ilento i-VN. Ngoku athi hayi yazi ngigazini nami ithi ngikhuleke nami ngathi ngithukile manje yabo. Okay, ahlele nathi ke sikhuleke sibe yi-3 kanti kuzongena nomnye futhi classmate umfana. So yena vele he doesn't take ukusindiswa seriously, he doesn't take icawa seriously. So ngoku aqale asihleke and then aze asithathe nevideo mara singabi nendaba. Kanti okay fine, sakhuleka sagqiba sonke sathi uJesu Kristu inkosi. So ke sahamba safika eGold City kanti on the way there bekune-accident. So ndathi ngenhliziyo ndathi uJesu Kristu inkosi. Ngathola ukuthi bekumele nathi we were supposed to be part of that accident, but because siyesabambezelwa, I don't know about the wind, but then we kind of delayed ukungena emabhasini. So ndathi ngenhliziyo ndathi uJesu Kristu inkosi. Ngabe I was there now, was part like ngamabhasi amakhulu yabo. So ngoku safika sadlala asesibuya ke ngoku iyabuya ingqondo ukuthi manje unto uthe ibhasi ngawo. Hayi ngitsho still ngenhliziyo ndathi hayi Jesu Kristu inkosi ngeke iziwe ibhasi yabo. Hayi vele sihambe and then asibuya vele sibuye sesi-safe, nothing bad happened. Wonke umuntu beke-right and akukho bhasi ewile and ngiyambonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi ngisaphila namhlanje, ukuthi he gave me the chance of ukuthi ngidize ngizoshare nale testimony yami. So ngiyambonga uNkulunkulu nangala mkhuleko lelani, ngiyambonga nokuthi wangithwala cause nje if I was someone else, I'm not saying ngingcono, but then I'm saying if I was who I was a year ago, umuntu bendingumuntu onovalo ukuthi what my people say yabo. I feel like if I was that person I was a year ago, bengendize ngithandaze ngoba bengisaba ukuthi ngiyahleka, I'll be a laughing stock. So ngiyambonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi wangitshintsha ndangasabi novalo. You know, now I'm free nokuthi nje ngishare ngoNkulunkulu nokuthi sekendenzeleni phana esikolweni I'm free nje andosabi into so ngiyambonga uNkulunkulu ngakho konke endenzelwe. Jesus Christ inkosi.
uJesu Kristu inkosi.